I know I got a coworker. Y'all know he don't be doing nothing. Theodore. Theo. Hey. Oh, now you just gonna act like I ain't saying nothing after you done push my chair and everything with your little paw back here. Hmm. You ain't gonna you ain't even gonna show him how you be pushing on my chair. Hmm. Tell him. Tell him that you don't do no work, okay? And that you always in my business. That you be pushing on my chair and you don't do no work. Tell him. No, the silent treatment ain't it. You need to let him know. So I'm guilty of doing nothing but sitting here looking cute on the edge of the couch. Y'all see what you see what I did with? Fired. Fired. Pink slip. That's what we dealing with.